What are we doing today, Canyon?
Going bird hunting.
Bird hunt. You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm gonna head them on.
Got your dog on?
Find a bird. Find a bird. What's that? Find a bird. So it's behind us? There's been all in here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Good shot, Kenzie. I think we got another pheasant pointed out here.
Put it down.
Good shot, Canyon. Way to go, buddy.
Dead, dead. I don't think that was gonna come out. That was rocking that hole.
It, like that hole, when it come out, it went though.
Dead, dead. Yeah, I thought it was gonna fall in. Dead.
I got. Good job.
There.
Yeah, she hit something right there, looks like. There it is. All right, Canyon.
Yeah, we're trying. Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Don't shoot me, Canyon, if that bird flies. Nope, don't shoot.
Now shoot. Duck hunter come in there.
Dang. Reached way out there and got that.
And you go to whatever you took out there.
Yeah.
I think I took 2 over them.
Did you?
I took those both 20s.
There. Bo, here. Here. Put
Oh, I
down here.
took
Put down here. Good girl.
20 over 90.
I know when we hunted, Kevin had that Browning Sweet 16, and it felt good.
You're welcome. I will. Yeah, better.
Canyon lets you shoot that, and you let Mackenzie shoot that.
I mean, I wasn't gonna shoot towards that.
Good call. You was right, the dog. It was a low bird. Good job.
We'll put him separate.
You put that one in there.
And then keep them separate so they know it's weird.
What's that?
Good day. A lot of good shooting. Chuckers.
Good boy.
We gonna have some tonight, Dad?
We need to eat that last pack that we killed the first time.
That is all of them.